guys? Welcome back to Smoking Asphalt. This is Terrence checking in. We're in my garage right now. Show you what we got here. Decided on the suspension setup. Went ahead and ordered the strange single adjustable coilover setup for the front. That's S5271. Gonna give that a shot. And for the rear, go ahead and reuse my Volglen rear springs with one coil removed. And I'm gonna try out these Competition Engineering 3-way adjustable drag shocks. So I ordered these from Jags. I ordered these on Friday around lunch, and I got them Sunday, a little after lunch. Crazy fast. Hope you guys are doing all right and thawed out after that crazy freeze that we had a couple weeks ago. We fared okay down here in Louisiana. Do a little unboxing of what these shocks look like if you guys decide to roll with these for your Fbody. So you get some cool stickers. These are the rear shock, all your hardware bushings. So this is, I believe it's a twin tube setup. They recommend whenever you get these out the box and you're ready to put them on the car to go ahead and pull the shaft out. You won't bleed the air out of the system. They say to do this 12 times, so I'm not gonna do it all 12, but with this shock, 3-way adjustable, you got basically regular, firm, and extra firm, depending on the track or the road that you're racing on, you're trying to hook on. But to adjust this, you have to have the cylinder all the way down and you rotate it clockwise. And there's one pronounced click and 2 softer clicks. It's pretty tough too. Throwing all my dogs in the backyard. Okay, I grabbed a 1/4 inch wrench here. That's one, so that's 50-50. That was another one. That would be, let's see, 40-60. And that would be 30-70. So let's try that again. 50-50, regular, 40-60, firm, 30-70, extra firm. Cool. So not to get too far off topic, because this video is going to be more focused on suspension, but currently in the engine bay, I got the power steering pump off. The car's been sitting for 3 months. I noticed the power steering pump was leaking. So it's a refurbished power steering. I'm gonna go ahead and get that one just swapped out, warranty replacement for now. Later on down the road, I'll probably end up going with turn 1 power steering pump, high performance type pump. Little advice here, guys. Hold on to your parts, because you never know when you're gonna change your setup or what have you, what's gonna happen on your car. And what I'm talking about tonight are these spring isolators. So these are the rear spring isolators. They are basically up in the chassis and then sits on top of your spring. These are the first things guys remove, because you know you want to get that lower center of gravity. You want to lower your car, you take this out and you remove 1/2 inch. But I'm going to pop these back in so I can raise the rear of the car up 1/2 inch. These are the springs I'm running, Volglen, part number right there. I'm going to install the springs first, and then I'll be installing the shock. Also remember, whenever you're working beneath the car where there's trash, debris involved, it's safe to use the proper PPE. Alright, that actually went much smoother than usual. I'm gonna go ahead and set up oil in, point towards the back of the car. Some guys, they'll recommend pointing it towards the front. But I believe as long as you have the ends of the coils pointing in the same direction on both sides, you're good to go. There we go, guys. Got them in. Upper isolators in. Sweet. Now, let's do the shocks. All right, so I got my shocks cycled to bleed the air out of them. These things are tough, man. I only cycled them 6 times. 6 full times, and I currently have them adjusted to the regular setting, which is that first click. Should be the softest setting. done at the bottom of this car. Check them out. They look pretty cool. So for the inside of the car, we have basically a bushing that's in here. Go down in there. This top plate and the nut. That's it for the shock insulation on an F-body. Pretty straightforward for the rear. Canada. Power steering pump pulley. It's made in Canada. That's right. Well, I'm gonna end the video here. For those that stuck around to the end, got a little bonus clip of a cold startup that I done a few days ago on the car, so you guys can actually hear it. Thank you guys for checking out my video, and stay tuned for some more updates on this. Those coilovers should be coming in towards the end of this week, so keep a lookout for that video. As always, keep it safe, have fun, later.